Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HMNY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this one many times before, including yesterday, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And, nothing super new to report here other than the fact that the move seems to be slipping through, the grasp of the bulls here, as this purple line, which I've talked about in several other videos, so right there, which is the 50-period moving average, just continues to press the price downwards. To give some credit where credit's due, the first opening portion of the day, the price actually was able to break up above the purple line and gap all the way up there. But that was a total gap and trap, as after the opening right there, it was just all bears the rest of the day. The price fell back below the purple line right there. Tried to get up above it several times there, but pushed down lower. And then even later on in the day, got somewhat close to it, but once again got pushed down lower. So I'm still not going to call the bounce that occurred on Thursday totally fake, but things are not looking too good right now, as there seems to be a lot of downwards pressure that is mounting. However, to be fair, the bulls do still have a chance to build a higher base. What do I mean by that? Well, if you look at where all the lows have been over the past couple of days, the lowest it's been is right there. The previous set of lows was down here. So if you picture each one of these as stair steps, then yeah, technically speaking, you do now have some stair steps, still having a chance to build in the upwards direction, and that's how reversals are built. So while, like I said, you can't totally wipe it off the table or anything like that, things are looking shaky. So if you haven't connected the dots, first key level of resistance remains 37 cents, which I talked about yesterday, that red line there. And then, the other one is going to be that purple line. Right now, it's kind of a double whammy, as both levels are essentially the same value right now. So 37, definitely the big level going into next week. So we'll see if the price can break through there or not. Not only necessarily break through it, but then stay above it, because there's been a couple occasions, including this morning, where the price is broken up above it. But as far as maintaining those gains, it just hasn't been able to quite do that. And then as far as supports, you have this little shorter term one that I talked about right around 35 cents. And then the big key one down here at 33 cents. So interesting setup going into tomorrow, or going into next week. We'll see how it all plays out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.